Okay, we have two types of lymphoid organs, primary and secondary. The primary are bone marrow and thymus, secondary are lymph node and spleen. The primary lymphoid organ is the site of production and maturation of the immune cell, while the secondary is the site for the activation of the immune cell. And there is a difference. We have to make sure that there is a difference between maturation and activation. A mature cell is a cell ready to do its job, to react against foreign antigen and do its job. But since it hasn't yet reacted to a foreign antigen, it's not active. It's mature but not active. Activation occurs in the secondary lymphoid organs, like lymph node and spleen. So we will start talking from the start point, the bone marrow, where B cells and T cells are produced. But there's a point here. B cells are produced in a mature form. So they are ready to do their job and they go through the bloodstream to the secondary lymphoid organs. We have a short story about T cells. They are produced immature. They are called precursors. T cell. So they need to be mature, and this occurs in this organ which is called thymus. Okay, let's start explaining the process. First of all, there are thymic epithelium presenting MHC class 1, MHC class 2, and self-antigens. It passes through stages. First stage, it's called positive selection. What occurs in positive selection? Let's change the color. Here is a T cell. The first step in the maturation of a T cell is that they present CD8, CD4, and TCR. And TCR stands for T cell receptor. This is the first step in maturation of T cell in the thymus. The second step is the positive selection. A T cell is exposed to thymic epithelium presenting MHC class 1 and MHC class 2. If any of this happens, that CD8 cross-links with MHC class 1, or CD4 reacts or cross-link with MHC class 2, then this cell will be able to cross-link and interact with MHC2, which will present antigens in the future. So it will be selected and moves on to the next step. But what if it doesn't react? Then it will go apoptosis. Okay, we will continue as if it reacts to MHC class 1 and MHC class 2. No, sorry. Here is a T cell which has passed the first test. Here is a TCR. This stage is called the negative selection. Why negative selection? Because I want the T cell not to react. React to what? To this. This is a self antigen. If it reacts to a self antigen, then this T cell will be dangerous and it may cause the autoimmune diseases. So if it reacts to this self antigen, it will go apoptosis. If it doesn't react, it will go on for the next step. Remember here we said that the T cell carries CD8, CD4, TCR. Okay, every T cell shall have TCR, T cell receptor, but it can't carry both CD8 or CD4, as they are cluster differentiation. It must carry only one, CD8 or CD4. Depending on what? Depending on which MHC class it cross-links to. If it cross-links to MHC class 1, then it will keep CD8 and CD4 will be deleted. And in this case, then this is called cytotoxic T cell. What if the opposite happened? It reacted to MHC class 2, but it doesn't react to MHC class 1. Then it will get rid of the CD8 and it will keep CD4. And of course, T cell receptor will remain. I'm so confused with the colors. You know, I'm not very clever in drawings. CD4 and T cell receptor. And this cell is called T helper cell. A bad handwriting also. Every doctor has a bad handwriting. Okay. Then we will have cytotoxic T cells and T helper cells mature and ready to perform their function. So after this stage, they are ready to go on through the blood to the secondary lymphoid organs to do their function and react to foreign antigen. I hope you enjoyed this video and you understood the thymus and T cell maturation. Don't forget to like, subscribe. If you have any comment or if you have any question, leave it in the comments below and I'll answer it. See you in the next video and goodbye.